Thank you for calling. This is Cafe Amanto Restaurant. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
May I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Jilzen May Malikdan.
Thank you, ma'am. May I know your contact details, ma'am?
0955-416-4025.
Miss Gilsen, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2 person,
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation is 6 p.m. today, June 1, 2024, for 2 person only. In the non-smoking area, under your name, Miss Gilson, Malikdan, with the contact number of 0955-416-4025. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
Nothing.
Miss Gilson, thank you for patronizing CCST Cafe Amante. We looking forward to welcoming you.
Thank you.